Need to know how to fit an Erika's Originals MN strap? Well, I'm here to teach you. All you need is a Springbar tool and a set of spring bars. In the packaging, you'll find your strap and a little guide booklet with artwork by pencils and watches. Start by slipping the strap out from the notch slider on the back. Next, put the strap in place and secure one side with a spring bar using the forked end of your tool. You can use the strap to gently position the spring bar into place. Repeat this step for the other side. Next, fit the strap back into the slider through the notch. With your strap fitted, you can now adjust the size by sliding the keeper further from the watch for a larger fit and closer for a smaller fit. Your watch should have a snug, comfortable feel, but you can continue to micro-adjust the strap to get it perfect. And that's it. You can now enjoy your new Erika's Originals MN strap. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and sign up to our newsletter to keep up to date with all the latest releases.